Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel Need Prep for Biology by EG. Today I will give most expected MCQ which can come in it for human reproduction, and your NEET exams are coming close, so keep your preparation at a high level. So can we start our video? Yeah, we will start our video. Do practice question daily and crack the NEET. So here is start our video. Question 1. Which of the following depict the correct pathway of transport of sperm? A. Retitestis, afferent ductus, epididymis vas deferens. B. Retitestis, epididymis vas afferens, epididymis afferent ductus vas deferens. C. Retitestis vas deferens, afferent ductus, epididymis. D. Afferent ductus, retitestis vas deferens, epididymis. Which of the following depict the correct pathway of transport of sperm? The correct answer for this question is A, that is retitestis, afferent ductus, epididymis and vas deferens. Question second. The shared terminal duct of the reproductive and urinary system of the human male is A. Urethra, ureter, C. Vas deferens, D. Vas afferentia. The shared terminal duct of the reproductive and urinary system in the human male is. The answer for this question is A, that is urethra. Question 3. Oviduct are also called A. Fallopian tubes, B. ureters, C. Vagina, D. Ovary. Oviduct are also called. The answer for this question is A, that is fallopian tubes. Question 4. What is the correct sequence of sperm formation? A. Spermatid, spermatocyte, spermatogonia, spermatozoa. B. Spermatogonia, spermatocyte, spermatozoa, spermatid. C. Spermatogonia, spermatozoa, spermatocyte, spermatid. D. Spermatogonia, spermatocyte, spermatid, spermatozoa. Which is the correct sequence of sperm formation? The answer for this question is D, that is spermatogonia, spermatocyte, spermatid, and spermatozoa. Question 5. Which one of the following statement is false in respect of viability of mammalian sperm? A. Sperm is viable for only up to 24 hours. B. Survival of sperm depends on the pH of the medium and is more active in alkaline medium. C. Viability of sperm is determined by its mobility. D. Sperm must be concentrated in a thick suspension. Which of the following statement is false in respect of viability of mammalian sperm? The answer for this question is A, that is sperm is viable for only up to 24 hours. Question 6. Which of the following layer is an antral follicle is acellular? A. Granulosa, B. Theca interna, C. Stroma, D. Zona pellucida. Which of the following layer is an antral follicle is acellular? And the answer for this question is D, that is Zona pellucida. Question 7. The new membrane formed by follicular cells in the secondary oocyte is called A. Zona pellucida, B. Zona pellucida, C. Plasma membrane, D. Tertiary membrane. The new membrane formed from follicular cells in secondary oocyte is called, and the answer for this question is B, that is Zona pellucida. Question 8. In adult menstrual cycle, the menstrual phase lasts for A. 3 to 5 days, B. 5 to 6 days, C. 1 to 3 days, D. 2 to 3 days. And the answer for this question is that is 3 to 5 days. Question 9. Fertilization takes place in it. A. Cervix, B. Asthemus, C. Ampullary ischemic junction, D. Follicle. Fertilization takes place in at, and the answer for this question is A, that is C. Ampullary ischemic junction. Fertilization takes place in at, and the answer for this question is C. Ampullary ischemic junction. Question 10. The main function of mammalian corpus luteum is to produce A. Estrogen only, B. Progesterone, C. Human chronic gonadotropin, D. Relaxin only. The main function of mammalian corpus luteum is to produce, and the answer for this question is B, that is progesterone. Question 11. Several hormones like HCG, HPL, estrogen, progesterone are produced by A. Ovary, B. Placenta, C. Fallopian tube, D. Pituitary. Several hormones like HCG, HPL, estrogen progesterone are produced by? And the answer for this question is A, B, that is placenta. Question 12. Relaxin, a hormone, is secreted by a placenta, ovary, anterior lobe of pituitary, D, posterior lobe of pituitary. Relaxin, a hormone, is secreted by, and the answer for this question is B, that is ovary. Question 13. Colostrum is important for newly formed because it contains essential antigen, B, it contains essential antibodies, C, both A and B, D, it has more nutrients than ordinary milk. Corpus co- colostrum is important for newly formed because answer for this question is B, that is it contains essential antibodies. Question 13. Morula is a development stage. A, between the zygote and blastocyst. B, between the blastocyst and blastula. C, after the implantation. D, between implantation and parturition. Morula is a developmental stage, and the answer for this question is A, that is between the zygote and blastocyst. Question 15. The membranous cover of the ovum at ovulation is A, corona radiata, B, zona radiata, C, zona pellucida, D, chorion. The membranous cover of the ovum at ovulation is, answer for this question is A, that is corona radiata. Thank you friends for watching NEET Prefer Biology by EJS. Friends, please do subscribe. Our team is making a big effort for making these questions for you. So please do subscribe, share and comment on this channel. Thank you friends. Keep smiling. Bye bye. Take care.